Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. Today we will be talking about just being consistent. Nvidia is currently up and running, and so are other stocks. As you guys know, I sold my position in Nvidia about 2 days ago when I hit my goal, but I'm still staying consistent with Nvidia. Now, what does this mean? Okay, daily checkups. So even if you get to a point where you feel like you got what you wanted from the stock, you got your money, you got your profit, but you want to go back into the stock. Okay, so currently, Nvidia is all the way up 133, 134. It's looking to break those new highs and looking to make new barriers, looking to set new this new all-time highs, right? And previously it was at 134, around 134, like a few months ago, right? So let's say it gets past 134, okay? Then it goes all the way to 138, 140. I'm not going to buy then, right? Because I'm waiting for 115. As you all know, I have the pending order set in NVIDIA. If you guys look at this, I have the pending order already set in NVIDIA. The reason why I always want to stay on it and check up on this every day just to know how the stock is moving. It's very important because you have to know your position. My position right now is just pending. That's my position on the stock. It's pending. Let's say after a few weeks, I see an Nvidia goes all the way up to 160, 170. Okay, who knows? Who knows? Let's say it does. This is this hypothetical. Let's say it does. Okay, then what I have to do is 115 is like a crazy low. Then 105, 106. If we go all the way up to 150, 160, I might just be like, okay, if I can just get in at 120, 121, that's fine. Okay, because it's going to go all the way back up to 150, 160. So why not get in a little bit sooner, or try to make a few arrangements, make a few adjustments? This is just, this is all just based on yourself. That's not something I would do. I would still keep my position at 115, but other investors always do that. Let's say their share price that they wanted to go for, they get what they wanted, right? And it comes back down to like 110, 120, but they want to get in at 105, but they feel like it's not going to hit 105. They'll just buy it at 110, $110, right? So that's why it's very important to keep your daily checkups, because your goals can change, and that's totally fine. You have to go with what you think is right and believe in it, right? You're not going to make a lot of money if you don't believe in yourself and believe in what you're thinking, is. Number three is having a strong goal and keeping a positive mindset. You're not going to make no money if you're not positive, okay? You have to, these are the days where you had to just pull through. My position in Nvidia was $124. Okay, so I was not going to make money if I didn't go above 124. The share price didn't go above 124. That is significantly high. That is compared to September 11, 10, all the way to September 24, 25, 24-ish. That is a crazy number, 124. Okay, now that's about a week or so that I had to really keep a positive mindset and make sure I just stayed on the bright side of things. I wanted to make sure that I was telling myself, hey, the time is going to come. Be patient, be consistent. So I kept doing daily checkups. I kept looking at my position, and every day around this time, every single day, I was like, dang, I'm losing money like left and right. I'm at $10 lost now. I'm at $5 lost now. But as soon as I keep that positive mindset and just stay strong to my goals, this happens. I earn my dividend, right? And I'm like, okay, that's good, whatever. 120, I'm getting closer and closer to 124. That helps me, that kind of keeps me motivated, keeps me up on my toes, right? And then I keep going. Around here, I'm like, okay, all I need is 130 now. So I hit 124 October 4, and I kept track of that, and I was like, let's hope we go up to 130. Around here, I seen it coming, and I just did it. I sold at 130. Now my next goal is to buy at 115. Do not let the self-doubt occur. Do not doubt in the stock. Do not doubt in yourself, because guess what? Every stock is going to come down. Okay, it's going to go up and come down, because what happens around this time is a lot of people start selling. They start taking their profits and they're just leaving. Okay, it happens very often. So believe in yourself, believe in your goals. Okay, now this is something that the market is going to do a lot. It's going to go up, it's going to fluctuate a lot. But if you know what you want specifically from the stock, how much money do you want? If you're investing $100, you cannot expect to get $1,000 back. That's just not ideal. Okay, if you're investing 100, the big goal is, okay, I want $10 back. I want at least 2-3 weeks at where I want $10 back. You get that and you get out. Okay, next time, now you invest 110, invest everything you got, and now you'd be like, okay, I want $5 now. Get 115 and get out. So this leads to the bullet point I have all the way at the bottom, but the fourth one is note taking helps you more than anything. So it kind of just touches on whatever I've been talking about. Note taking is just one of the best ways to refresh yourself on your goals. Every day, 5 minutes, look at your stock, look at what you want to buy, and just be like, okay, I'm gonna take note of this. It hit say $110, but I want it to hit 120. We're getting close. Just a full week is just 5 days where you need to just take notes quickly, look back at them before you sleep, and just close it right there. That's all you need. Okay, now the last one is low to high. Don't have to start with a lot of money. A lot of people, I've got this question multiple times. It's like, how much should I start with? How much money is good for investing? My previous position in Nvidia was about $124 or 24 around there, and I sold at about 130 with like $5 to $6 profit. You guys wouldn't guess what I started off with. Okay, I started off with $15. You start off with $15. I kept adding $1, $2, $17. Then I sold at 70, and slowly, you guys see, I've been gradually increasing the amount of money I invest. Okay, it's almost about to be a year since I've been investing in December, right? But I've learned so much along the way, and I've looked at so many YouTubers, I've looked at so many news articles, so many day trading patterns, and it's been like a basically, you can see a 9 to 10 month learning experience. Okay, I haven't hit a year yet, but as I've gone with Nvidia, I can tell you this stock is consistent. Now, this is the stock I've had more positions in Nvidia than any other stock. Okay, and I wanna be able to do that with at least 2 to 3 stocks. The goal is always, a good portfolio always have at least 3 to 4 stocks, and one is different from the other. So if you guys look at my holdings, I have Fuel Cell Energy, Chipotle, GameStop, and AMC. AMC is different from Chipotle. Chipotle is different from GameStop. Now, this was a higher risk trade that I did. It was one of the biggest investments I had, where I just wanted to make quick money, right? But I got stuck up, in GameStop. Everybody knows about the whole situation over the summer, but I'm just gonna hold this till, I don't know, forever. Whenever GameStop goes back up to 45, that's what I'm going to sell. I'm not going to put more money in. I'm not going to panic sell. None of that. Okay. I have a stop loss for this, and I don't see reaching to that stop loss no time soon. So I'm just staying true to my goals, right? Now, this is what a diverse portfolio looks like. You have different types of investments, and different type of investments start off with different money. If you have a long-term investment, it's okay to invest more in the long term than a short term, right? But if you get confident with the short-term investments, start putting more money towards the short term so you can make quick money. However, it is harder and more riskier to invest with stocks like AMC or Fuel Cell Energy or a penny stock, But if you make a lot of money with a penny stock or a stock like AMC, trust me, you're gonna be in that rotation of trying to put more money into those short investments. But that is it for the video. This is how you can be consistent. Use some of these bullet points and put them into your investing style. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.